Hi Kenneth, it's Colin. Yeah, in the pages themselves, a lot of the content is the same. It's the headers that are different. So your index alternate, it uses the just the default slider. So you go to your sliders, it uses the default slider, and in the background of the page, there's a single image, sort of a static image. It just sort of slowly moves and rotates, and then the index page itself uses the hero slider. Okay. Right, but the content down below is going to be about the same for pretty much all of the pages. It's actually where you're going to see the difference is actually in the header. Okay, because we have different types of headers there. So the way I've named them is to sort of basically there, right? So these two different headers. These have similar headers, except they have different actions in the headers for the. All right, so we have a background image, single background image. Sort of just comes in and out, right? It just, boom, slowly rotates around, okay? And then this one here, same image, but it doesn't move, right? This is just a static, sorry, it's a background image that just doesn't move, different background image, but same idea, just it doesn't move, okay? And then we get down to the one with the video. Boom, that'll pop in. And that's going to have a background. It's not going to play locally for me, but it's going to play in the background of the page, like so. But content-wise, like all the content regions in the pages, they're going to be the same. So basically, it's just the sort of the layout for the header, or in this case, we have a video background. But the actual content itself, that's the same for pretty much all the different index pages. Now, the news page, the news layout, and they named that one a little differently because it is a different layout, right? So this is the only one that has a different sort of content makeup. So I hope that makes sense. Now, just so you know, for these pages here, I've had this question a few times. When you have just that single image in the background of the page, right, I just want to go down there and show you where it's being loaded in from here. So this is the header static. Oh, that's all right. Site, styles, pages, and then take a look. You have the different index pages, and they all have their own style sheet here. So this is where your background image right here. That's the background image that comes in for the those moving images. Okay, in the background. So very first line, it's under showcase, and it's this fella right here. And you'll find them in the themed images, backgrounds, and then there it is, section A, or section B, or C. Those are the guys right there.